Hi, good morning. It's Jeff Waite at stockideas.org, and today I just want to go over some of the best classic investing books. As you can see here, I'm just on my website on the books page, and I've done some reviews of some of my favorite books for stock trading and investing, and today I just want to walk you through a couple of the classics. So let's jump right into it. The first is The Richest Man in Babylon. This is a short book, very easy to read, and it's about the success secrets of the ancients. It is, I think, the most inspiring book on wealth ever written. It's a really great classic that holds all the kind of keys to personal finance. I've read it many times and highly recommend it. Along the same lines, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is another classic that contains the money-making secrets that can change your life. So these last two books aren't exactly about stock trading or investing, but they're pretty foundational in terms of how you should think about money and your relationship with it, and I think they add important context for anyone looking to invest in the long term. The next book that I really recommend as a classic is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's the definitive book on value investing. And a lot of value investors will tell you that value investing is the only sensible kind of investing. The Intelligent Investor was also Warren Buffett's favorite book. He said it was the most influential book he read, and it really gave him a framework for decision making and security analysis. And it's pretty digestible. So if you're getting serious about investing, I definitely recommend The Intelligent Investor. Next, and sort of at odds with The Intelligent Investor, is A Random Walk Down Wall Street. This is basically about indexing and the value of efficient markets and how that can help you. The premise of The Intelligent Investor is to exploit market inefficiencies, whereas A Random Walk Down Wall Street is, how to kind of embrace the efficiencies of the market and assume that everything will reach fair price in time. So at the end of the day, I think The Intelligent Investor is more relevant than A Random Walk Down Wall Street, but they're both important to kind of help you conceptualize the different attitudes that are out there about investing. Now, this is one of my favorite books, is Reminiscence of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. This book was first published in 1923, so it's definitely a stock market classic. It's really cool because it's basically a slightly fictionalized biography about one of the best traders of the day back in 1897 to 1923. So it's really cool to understand how the stock market worked back then. But the other cool thing is to realize that human nature doesn't change. People are pretty much the same as they were, and a lot of the strategy and psychology discussed in this book still apply today. So definitely a time-tested lesson. And then finally, my favorite stock biography is How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market by Nicholas Darva. This was published in 1955, so definitely a classic and kind of gives you some perspective on the 2 million here. And this is a really cool book. It's the amazing story of a world-famous dancer who trained himself to become one of the most successful investors in stock market history. So this is a really, really cool book, really easy to read. The thing that I liked about it most is that it starts at the beginning of Darva's career, and then it's very autobiographical and just shares how he evolved his investment selection process. So you learn, what he tried and what didn't work, and what he tried and what sort of worked, and then how he eventually found a system to make millions in the market. So these are some of my favorite classic investing books. If you're just getting started, I would definitely suggest The Richest Man in Babylon. If you haven't read Think and Grow Rich, I highly recommend it. The Intelligent Investor, if you're interested in value investing or anything other than momentum trading, I highly, highly recommend. This book is one of the most influential ones I've ever read. Random Walk, pretty good, worth checking out if you haven't. And then these two are also classics that I really like. And I always find it really educational and inspiring to learn from people that have made it really successfully in the markets. So hope you've enjoyed this video on some classic investing books. Definitely feel free to check out stockideas.org/books, and there's a big list here. I'm always adding to it, so you can bookmark this page to get the best investing classics under your belt. Thanks very much for watching. Check out stockideas.org and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're looking for more videos. Thanks very much.